Hi guys! I have a feeling that I'm loving peanut butter everything at the moment. Whether it was those peanut butter and banana cookies, or the stir fry with the peanut butter sauce, or now some delicious and healthy peanut butter granola. This granola is super easy to make. You don't need many ingredients for it. And it's great for breakfast, for a quick snack over some yogurt, with some fruits, with some milk. Whichever way you like to eat your granola, it's perfect for that. So you want to grab a big bowl or a medium bowl and add in all your ingredients to the bowl. So first I'm adding in the oats, then the raisins. And the raisins are great because they're giving the granola a natural sweetness. If you don't like raisins, or you would rather not add any raisins to the granola, then look up some tips over on my website. Then you want to add in about a teaspoonful of vanilla. And lastly, we are adding the key ingredients, so the peanut butter. I'm using crunchy peanut butter. Like you can see here, it has some big pieces and I love the crunch that it gives, but you can also use smooth peanut butter if you want. So first I would suggest to add just 3 tablespoonfuls. Give it a good mix because this depends on the peanut butter that you're using. It might be enough, it might not be enough, so I'm gonna give it a good mix and show you how you want it to look once it's all mixed in. So if you look at it now, it's still quite dry and I've mixed in all of the peanut butter. So this means I need to add a little bit more to kind of coat all of the oats. So I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon and gonna mix again. So now if you look at it, it still has those kind of well, drier spots. It's okay, you don't want it all to be kind of covered in butter, because we are making a homemade granola, a healthier granola option. This one doesn't have any added sugar apart from the raisins, and also the only butter or the only kind of fat that it has comes from the peanut butter, which is also healthy. So we want to keep it that way. We don't want to add anything else to it. So you just want it to kind of be covered in the peanut butter, but you don't want it to be kind of swimming in the peanut butter or in the peanut butter fat. I know it's a kind of well, not a very clear explanation, but once you kind of have bits that stick together, you can see there's peanut butter on the raisins, on the granola, but you still have some loose bits, so some loose oats. That's when you know it's ready, and that's when you know you can bake it. I will also link the peanut butter that I use. I've made this twice with the same peanut butter, and both times I needed 4 tablespoons to kind of get the right consistency. So if you would be using the same, then you need 4 tablespoons. Then I have a baking tray here covered with some parchment paper, and I'm just gonna spread the granola on top, and then you want to spread it out. And then you just want to bake it according to the recipe. After the first 7 minutes, you want to give the granola a little mix and then bake for another 7 minutes. Once you've baked the granola, you want to remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely before you store it in a glass jar or a container. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and let me know how you love to eat the granola and when do you love to eat it. Is it for breakfast, over some yogurt, or do you enjoy it also for a light dinner? Let me know in the comments. So I'm here playing with this jar of granola, and I'm just thinking, I can't wait to finish filming this video so I can grab some yogurt with the granola on top. I really love this one. I think from all of my granola recipes, this is my favorite, even though I love the other ones as well, and I will link those for you here. All of the recipes, they are really healthy. They don't have any artificial sugars in them, and also they're low on fats, or they're great on good fats. Like this one, it only has the peanut butter, so it has only the fat from the peanut butter, and that's really great, and it's good for you, and that's why it's, well, it's not completely guilt-free because it's still a lot of fat, even though it's good fats, but it's a little bit better for you than, well, it is a lot better for you than the other stuff, but still remember to enjoy it in moderation. Just when I said it, I thought I should tell that to myself because it's so delicious. I've made this already twice, and one jar is already empty long time ago. And I know this one will be also empty. As soon as I have filmed these and taken the photos, I know I will have no excuse to leave the jar full, so it will be all gone. But it's good, it's all good stuff, and I also hope you will also enjoy this granola. If you like this recipe and if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget that thumbs up for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.